Hello and welcome back to another Quiet Crochet Friday. I'm Sandra from SandraStitches and you're here for some crochet goodness. So today, as always on our Quiet Crochet Fridays, I grabbed my current project, whatever I am working on. I hope I have my hook here, yes. And we just crochet together. So do the same. Bring your current project and sit down with me for 15-20 minutes of quiet crochet time so we can relax, chat a little bit, and I tell you all kind of things that's going on around me. This is not a tutorial or anything, we're just crocheting together. I think this quiet crochet, little bits of times that we can take to ourselves. During most of us have hectic days are super important because sometimes we need a little bit of time to relax, put our minds at ease and think about positive things or just whatever is going on in your mind. We have so many thoughts going on in our brain. We have to give it a little bit of rest, and I feel that crocheting is a great rest. So this is what we are doing here. You're welcome to join, and if you want, you're also very welcome to tell me in the comments what you're working on, what's your current project, how are you feeling, what's going on, whatever you want to share, because it's just me here. I read all the comments and I respond to all the comments by myself. So this is it. I am working. I had this yarn that I bought, this very, I think in the camera it looks a little bit bright, but it's not very bright, but it's very beautiful blue. It's more on the light side of blue, but medium, not light. And it's bulky weight yarn. It's called, oops, my hook fell. It's called Create Chunky from Yarn Smith. It's from the Wool Warehouse in the UK. It's 100% acrylic. So to tell you the truth, accidentally bought 4 skeins of these. Now, it's not a color that I usually use, and it was sitting there in my stash for a long time. I didn't know what to do with it, and then I decided that I'm going to make a small stroller baby blanket, and I'm going to use the linen stitch because I love the linen stitch and it's so easy. I know it works up slowly because we are talking single crochet, right? So the rows don't grow so fast, but it's so easy to work that, I don't know, I feel like if I'm sitting and working on it, watching a show or something, I don't feel bored for some reason with this stitch. There are stitches that when I sit down and crochet them, even if they're very easy stitches, after a while I kind of feel bored and I don't want to do them anymore. But the linen stitch, the V-stitch, the granny stitch, those are stitches that I feel like, I don't know, they just flow in my hands with my fingers. Do you feel the same? Tell me in the comments if you feel the same. I have to go to my hairdresser, but she gave birth. She's a young Muslim girl that I love, and she gave birth and probably will not be at her place for a while. So this is why my hair is looking so strange. I'm just waiting for her to come back. Yeah. So this is what I'm doing here. I'm just sitting and crocheting quiet. I will put some background music, so we have some music, and that's it. What else can I tell you? Today it's Tuesday, June. I'm filming this, I think it's June 17th, something like that, because I usually film ahead of time. I like to schedule things. I live in a country that you can never know what's going to happen. So we have to be prepared. And I'm so used to be prepared that I love to film and schedule my things ahead of time, because who knows? So this is where we are at. It's going to be a baby blanket in blue, and I am using this blue, and I also have a variegated blue yarn. Let me show you, that I got from Temu. It's really cute. It has a lot of blues, different shades, and also very dark blues. It looks like black, but it's not black, it's dark blue. So I decided I'm going to do some stripes with the variegated. It's a different weight, so I'm using 2 strands. And because I'm using 2 strands, it became too bulky, too chunky, so I'm not using much of it, just small, thin stripes. But I think I will use it for the border. So, and I don't have much, I just have skein and a half or something like that. So I want to use it for the border at the end. Maybe I will make more stripes, I don't know. I just work it as I go and we'll see. I already used 1 skein of the blue, and I just started the 2nd skein. I have 3 more. No, 2 more. I have 2 more. So I have enough for small blanket size. Probably maybe 1 more skein will be enough. And then the border. So we'll see. For no other song could be worthy of beautiful, wonderful you. Now, just grab something to drink. I have my water here. You know by now probably that I'm not a coffee girl, I'm a water girl. So I have my water here and my crochet, and it's the middle of the day, very hot already here, very summer. I was out in the morning and was enough. I will go for a walk in the afternoon when the sun sets and it's not so hot. So I would go for a walk. I try to walk almost every day. I don't every day, but I try. Even if it's just a small, a short walk, I try to walk every day, because I'm sitting most of the day crocheting or doing all the computer work for my crochet business, so I need to get out and get some sun and also walk a little bit. There is a new place I want to go, a new cafe. It's not really new, it's renewed, because it's what it says, it's a 100 years old building, small building, in the middle of the city, surrounded by beautiful park, and it's near the theater and the main library in the city where I live. And the cafe there was closed for, I don't know, they say around 40 or 50 years. It was closed for a long time. And lately they reopened it. And I saw, on social media and everything that it's really cute and it's very nice. So I was thinking to go with my crochet and sit there in the park and, get a drink or something and enjoy. The thing is that it's so hot outside and so humid that I'm not sure. I think maybe tomorrow I will do that in the morning. And then maybe if I feel it's too hot, so maybe I'll just jump into the library and sit down there and crochet there. We'll see. Tell me in the comments if you like to crochet outside. It's something I want to incorporate more in my day-to-day. I always say that, but actually, in reality, I don't really do it because I have so much things to do that the day just flies. And then I'm too tired to start traveling and going out. For this cafe, I have to drive there, or no, I can't drive. I have to take public transportation because it's in the middle of the city and it's very difficult to drive there, and no parking and no, so it's in the center. So I will have to take public transportation and, all that. But it's worth it, so I really want to do it. Just need to get up from my chair and do it. I am sure that you can relate. Tell me in the comments what you think about this. If you can relate to wanting to do something, but no, not today, maybe tomorrow. Yes, I really want to, but not today. Yeah. I think tomorrow I will do it. I have to figure out, I have to look the hours of the library to make sure that if I'm too hot there, I can go to the air conditioning in the library and sit in the library. So I have to see the hours, because the library is also a place that I don't visit very often. And I would love to visit more often. I do have a huge library of books in my house because we love to read. My daughters love to read. And lately I opened a, how would you say it? Social, small library in our building. So in the lobby of we have a big lobby. So in the lobby of the building, somebody donated a stand, and I brought a lot of books from my own library that I wanted to donate because I didn't want them to be at home. So we put them there, and everybody from the building brings books they want to donate, so they put them there in the stands, and whoever wants goes and takes a book, reads it, and brings it back. It's really cute. It's amazing. People are very much enjoying it. So every 2-3 days I go down to the lobby and I, tidy up everything, and I see if there are new books and everything. So it's really nice. But that means that I get to see new books from there that I didn't have. And so I don't go to the library so much. We used to buy lots and lots of books when my girls were smaller and they were all home and they loved to read. So they used to go to the library, but we used to buy lots and lots of books so they can read at home. And they love to, read again and again. So, but now they are not home anymore, and so many books, it was too much. So we donated a lot of them.
For I have been kissed by an angel, beautiful, wonderful you.
If you're new here and this is your first time, so hello and welcome. You will find links to my blog with free patterns down in the description box below. You will find link to our V-Stitch Club, which is our crochet membership that anyone can join anytime. And you'll find all information about it in the link. And also how to follow me on Instagram or on Facebook. We have an amazing free Facebook group. You know, everything is in the description box below. And if you're loving these Friday videos, please consider to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you get notified when I upload a new video, which is usually Wednesdays. We have tutorials, and Fridays we have the quiet crochet time. Sometimes when I have an event like a crochet along or a series of something that I want to publish and film, so those videos go out on Mondays. Recently we finished a 12-week stitch sampler blanket crochet along, so you can find all the videos in the channel. There is a playlist with all the videos for that crochet along. And when I will have a new series, I will publish on Mondays. So I'm finishing this row and we'll wrap up this video because I don't want to, you know, it's just a small candy of crochet time for your Friday or anytime you want to watch this. I don't want to take too much of your time. All right, so I did about 3 or 4 rows. Yeah, this is my blanket, how it's going on. I think it's big enough for a baby blanket, right? Yeah, I think so. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this Quiet Crochet Friday, and I hope you come back next week. You can always watch all the videos before this one. We have quite a lot. I think we are 3 months, so each Friday. So there are quite a lot if you need more minutes and more time for your quiet crochet time. Until next week, I will see you. Have a great, great week. Bye-bye.